Welcome to the second episode of Sci-Five. I'm your host, Chris Shea-Kurek. On Sci-Five, we talk about 5 technological and scientific innovations of this week. This week, we'll be talking about lithium-ion batteries, new discoveries in the Antarctic, the ongoing Megastructure alien debate, and more. New strides were made in the field of battery this week when scientists at the University of Stanford developed the first lithium-ion battery that shuts down before overheating. Most things we have today use lithium-ion batteries, like mobile phones, computers, and the new fad of the hoverboard. Lithium-ion batteries have been extremely useful in the past few years. Now, with the addition of nanospikes made of nickel and graphene, oxygen exposure will no longer affect its flammability. It also has the ability to inflate like a balloon when heated above 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Once inflated, the crystals separate and the device turns off. Surprising discovery in the Antarctic this week may give the Grand Canyon a run for its money in the title hold of the world's largest canyon. According to the Department of Durham University in the United Kingdom, there exists a massive subglacial lake and canyon system underneath the Prince Elizabeth Land ice sheet in East Antarctica. Using the new image technology called radio echo sounding, studies suggest that a 1,100 kilometer long canyon exists underneath the ice sheet. There also seems to be a lake about 3 times the size of Lake Superior. The debate over the star KIC 846285, nicknamed the Tabby Star, continues. The bizarre thing about that star is its light emission occasionally dips below 20%, well over the amount of any other star in the known galaxy. It's located about 1,500 light years away, and it seems to be obscured by something. Scientists originally theorized that it would be comets that obscured the light between Earth and the star, but more math had been done since that discovery 3 months ago. It now suggests that about 648,000 comets of a size of about 200 kilometers would need to be in the way in order to obscure the light that much. It's a lot of comets. The other hypothesis that's completely ludicrous is that an alien megastructure might actually be obscuring that sunlight. Scientists say this is extremely unlikely, but we don't actually have any other theories. More research is needed. In more astronomical news, a galaxy about 12.6 billion light years away is now the brightest object discovered in the observable universe. Its black hole at the center of its galaxy seems to be completely absorbing all of the stars nearby. From this carnage, an insane amount of gamma radiation and energy have been produced. It also seems that there is an intense amount of infrared radiation boiling away all of the interstellar gases, basically sterilizing the entire galaxy. Until this point, it was only theorized that a black hole could just devastate its home galaxy in this manner. Last up, more black holes. Astronomers using the NEOMA 45mm radio telescope have discovered the signs of an invisible black hole with about the mass of 10,000 times of our sun. It's also at the center of the Milky Way galaxy, but it's the second one. I know that isn't exactly as exciting as it could be, but we now know for sure we have 2 supermassive black holes at the center of our galaxy. That's all for now. Thanks for joining me. We'll see you next week here on Sci-Five.